Hello everyone, welcome to the last video in this series. So this is about a full system. The full system in the sense a full architecture system. It is called Memory Augmented Multi-Agent Rack System. So the name sound bit odd, but yeah, that's true. See, because we have rack, we have tools, and then we have agents, we have memory, and we're orchestrating these agents with the help of LangGraph. So together, this entire system, which is almost equal to real-time GPT application, is called Memory Augmented Multi-Agent System. Okay, so this is about the architecture of the Memory Augmented Multi-Agent System. So now let's go to the code part quickly and see what is happening. So the example remains the same in the previous video. So the only thing is I am adding a few things here which is called short-term memory and long-term memory. So this remains the same. So this is my path of the long-term memory, and this is the path of my open API key and the short-term memory, and this is the models I'm using. And then yeah, create engine, get session history. So this is about adding this history before invoking any user command. And this is for long-term memory. Of course, we'll be using ChromaDB because we will be using embeddings for long-term memory, and we'll be recall. So all this code is earlier seen. I'm just connecting the dots now. So recall long-term memory and save long-term memory after each response. So the first thing is you need to load the retriever test plan and then search for the test plan and then get all the commands. And these are the agents again. So I have intent agent. I'm using my model as taking model help to decide what is my intent. So it returns these three keywords, and based upon these keywords, the corresponding node get triggered. So if it is a test plan, it goes to search test plan. So here written here it will get retrieve all the commands, and then we will be adding the memory actually here. So if you come down all the way, yeah. So intent node messages state long memory. So in the graph, the current state is by default memory augmented. So you can use that long memory where it will store current user input and output. You just need to append that to the intent node. Is that as simple as that in adding memory to the lang graph. So this test plan node also just save this long memory of this particular node, and then you will just get the test plan details. I mean the history specific to that. So it's like you are adding history, conversation history, short term and long term to the existing nodes. Period. So this is here also you're adding the memory here, and for here we're also adding the general node, and the conversation memory, the short term memory is being added while you're invoking. So you get session history. This is the short term memory. So long term memory, save long term. It's already called and then it's been saved. So it's you have conversation history, you have RAG which has a test plan, and then you have a tool, datetime tool, and then you have test plan executor tool. So we have agents, we have RAG, we have multi agents, we have graph, so whatnot, everything we have. So we also have a particular thing called uh, UI for the same code. So now let's see what's happening. So I just already loaded the UI here. So since it has shown all the conversation history I'm doing over the past 1 2 hours. So so it says so okay. So let's check the conversation history. What is my name? Okay, just thinking your name is Suresh. So what is the command to? So this is good actually. Once you get the command from the conversation history, also you will get the right command. What's the command to convert MP4 to audio? Okay, yeah, this is true actually. So now we'll give this command again. So convert this file to MP3 using Multimagic's audio test plan. Yeah, don't worry if it doesn't work also, that is fine, but it's just we are trying to capture the essence here. It's not like let's run this command again. So convert this file from MP4 to MP3 using Multimagic's test plan. So let's see if it is working. Okay, so it's thinking and it's calling the agent, and we should get success message. That is should work. And after that, we'll also give what is the current. Yeah, it got succeeded. So now, like, what is the current date and time? So it should respond. So it should not store from the conversation history. It should reply now. So that's the yeah. It's yeah, it's matching. So tell me about Maigha Inc. So here it should tell from the web. Of course, our Google search engine is not integrated, but it's telling from the based on the conversation history. Maigha is the company you worked for. However, I do specific because we did not added that web data for the Maigha here. So we will be keep adding lot of things here. So the actual idea is to uh, add a full blown system like this. I mean, I'll just show you here. Yeah. So just to add start, intent node, test plan, direct general node, and Google agent, image agent, executor agent, time agent, web agent. So we can integrate all these examples. So yeah. So finally, this is how our full blown system is. Yeah, and then yeah. So the plan is to add a lot of images. So the plan is to add a very big multi-agent system where it does different things: image, executor, time, web agent, and does a lot of things. We'll see that in the next series of courses. But for now, we have almost done a full-blown system where you can do multiple things: history, DB, MCP server, rags, agents, URLs, YouTube's, whatnot. We touched everything. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this series. So keep watching this space for more interesting videos. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care.